What if I told you a computer was discovered at the bottom of the sea and it was built over 2,000 years ago? Scientists still can't fully explain how ancient people created technology this advanced. Was history hiding something from us? In 1901, divers found a strange lump of corroded metal inside an ancient shipwreck. But when scientists looked closer, they realized they had discovered something impossible, a machine that shouldn't have existed for another 1,000 years. This ancient device is so advanced that some people believe it rewrites human history. Hidden inside are dozens of precision gears that resemble a modern computer. The shocking question is, who built it and how? Scientists expected to find treasure in an ancient shipwreck. Instead, they found something far more mysterious. A 2,000-year-old machine capable of predicting the movements of planets, eclipses, and the heavens. But here's the chilling part. Technology this advanced shouldn't have existed. The Antikythera Mechanism, humanity's 2,000-year-old computer mystery. Imagine diving into the dark blue depths of the Mediterranean Sea. The water is silent. Sunlight struggles to reach the ocean floor. Ancient ruins and broken artifacts lie scattered across the seabed, untouched for centuries. Then suddenly, something catches your eye. A strange object, covered in thick layers of corrosion and sea growth. At first glance, it appears to be nothing more than a worthless lump of metal. But hidden inside that corroded mass was a discovery so astonishing that it would challenge everything we thought we knew about ancient civilizations. This is the incredible mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism, a machine so advanced that many scientists call it the world's first computer. And the most shocking part? It was built more than 2,000 years ago. The story begins in the year 1900. A group of sponge divers sailing near the Greek island of Antikythera were forced to take shelter from a storm. While exploring underwater, they stumbled upon something extraordinary, an ancient shipwreck. The divers found statues, pottery, coins, jewelry, and countless treasures scattered across the ocean floor. Excited by their discovery, they began recovering artifacts from the wreck. But among the treasures was a strange object unlike anything they had ever seen. It looked broken, rusty, and completely unremarkable. No one realized its importance at the time. The object was transported to a museum along with the other artifacts. Months later, while experts examined the recovered items, they noticed something impossible. Embedded inside the corroded metal were gears. Not one gear, not two gears, but dozens of intricately crafted bronze gears. The scientists stared in disbelief. Ancient Greeks weren't supposed to have technology like this. The discovery raised an immediate question. What exactly was this machine? As researchers carefully cleaned the fragments, more details emerged. Tiny inscriptions covered its surface. Complex gear systems filled its interior. Every new discovery made the mystery even deeper. For years, experts struggled to understand what they were looking at. Some believed it was an astronomical instrument. Others thought it was part of a clock. But nobody could explain its extraordinary complexity. Then came a breakthrough. Using advanced X-ray imaging technology, scientists were finally able to see inside the mechanism without damaging it. What they discovered shocked the world. The machine contained more than 30 interlocking gears. Each gear was carefully engineered with incredible precision. Together they formed a mechanical system unlike anything known from the ancient world. In fact, technology of similar complexity would not appear again for more than 1,000 years. Think about that. This machine was built around 100 BCE, yet its engineering resembled devices that wouldn't exist until medieval Europe. How was this possible? Who created it? And where did they learn such advanced knowledge? The answers led scientists deep into the world of ancient Greek astronomy. The Antikythera Mechanism wasn't just a collection of gears. It was designed to track the movements of celestial bodies, the sun, the moon, and even the known planets. By turning a simple crank, users could predict astronomical events years into the future. The machine could calculate lunar cycles, track eclipses, predict the positions of heavenly bodies, and display complex astronomical information with remarkable accuracy. In essence, it was a mechanical computer. Thousands of years before electronic computers existed. Thousands of years before calculators. Thousands of years before smartphones. Ancient engineers had created a device capable of performing sophisticated calculations using nothing but gears and mathematics. Scientists were stunned. Even today, experts continue to study the mechanism in search of new secrets. But the mystery only grows deeper. If ancient Greeks possessed such advanced technology, where are the other machines? Why has nothing similar ever been found? Did this knowledge disappear? Was it lost during wars? Destroyed by disasters? Or are more devices still hidden somewhere beneath the sea? Some historians believe the Antikythera mechanism represents the peak of an ancient scientific tradition that vanished over time. Others suggest there may have been workshops producing similar devices throughout the ancient Mediterranean. If that's true, countless technological wonders may have been lost forever. Imagine entire libraries of knowledge disappearing. Imagine inventions centuries ahead of their time being forgotten. History is filled with mysteries like this. Knowledge gained, knowledge lost, and knowledge waiting to be rediscovered. The Antikythera mechanism reminds us that ancient civilizations were often far more advanced than we imagine. These people carefully observed the stars, developed complex mathematics, and engineered devices that continue to amaze scientists even today. The more researchers learn about this machine, the more extraordinary it becomes. Every gear, every inscription, every fragment tells a story of human ingenuity, a story that survived 2,000 years beneath the sea. Yet many questions remain unanswered. Who built it? Who used it? Was it unique? Or was it just one of many lost technological marvels? Perhaps somewhere beneath the oceans, buried under centuries of sand and sediment, more discoveries are waiting. More secrets, more mysteries, more evidence that history may be far more incredible than we ever imagined. And until those secrets are uncovered, the Antikythera mechanism will remain one of humanity's greatest unsolved mysteries. A machine from the distant past, a computer before computers, a message from an ancient world that still has much left to teach us. What do you think? Was the Antikythera mechanism a one-of-a-kind invention, or evidence of a forgotten technological age? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this mystery, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more incredible discoveries hidden throughout history.